Hi guys, my name is Tanmoy and welcome to another session of Study PPC. In today's session, we are going to see how to set up conversion tracking from our Google Analytics account. So as you know that in Google Ads, we can set up conversion tracking in two different ways. One is through setting up the code through Google Ads itself, and the other one would be through Analytics as well. We can go ahead and set up this particular feature. So all we need to do is once we are inside our Analytics account, we can go ahead and create a particular goal, and then we can import that goal inside Google Ads and use it for conversion tracking. So I'm going to show you how we can do this for both the two properties. One is the universal property, which was the old version, and the latest one, which is GA4 property, and we'll see how both can be used separately to set up conversion tracking in Google Ads. So let's begin, guys. So in order to do this, guys, we can go inside our Analytics account first. And now here, as you can see, this is an Analytics account in which I'm showing you the universal property right now. So once you are on this particular page, you can straight away get into a goal creation first. So we can go to goals under view, and here we can create a new goal. So now, as you can see, the process is pretty similar like our conversion tracking which happens in Google Ads. We have to give certain details to define our goal or conversion which we want to set. So here we can choose the option. Let's say I'm going to choose create an account, and you can click on continue, and then you can give it a name. And then you can continue with this. And here you can give the website on which the conversion is going to happen, and you can save this. Once this goal is created, now we can go back to our Google Ads, and here we can go to our tools and settings to import this goal inside Google Ads. So under tools and settings, we can go to measurement where you can see conversions. And from here with this plus button, we can import the goal. You can see the last option which says import data from Google Analytics or other sources. We can choose it as Google Analytics UA, the universal one, and continue. So this will show us the one which we created, which is test September 13. So now I'm selecting this, and we can import this inside our Google Ads. So now you can see it says you have imported one goal from Google Analytics. So in this manner, we can use a universal property of Analytics to set up conversion tracking inside our Google Ads account. Now what we are going to do is we were going to look at the second process, wherein let's say you have an Analytics account with GA4 property. So we'll see that how we can do that. So again, going back to the main screen, I'm going to change this to a GA4 property first. So this is a GA4 property which I have right now. So in this, again, what we're going to do is we're going to create a goal. So for which we can come to setup assistant. And here, when we scroll to the bottom of the page, you can see conversions. It says setup conversions. So we can come here, and now we are setting up a conversion event, guys, not just an event. So we'll go to conversions on the top left. And here we can create a new conversion event. So now once this is created, we will again go back to Google Ads to import this. So here we can go ahead and click on the plus conversion action button to import this. So here the fourth option which you have, import, we can choose this, and this time we're going to choose the second option which says Google Analytics 4 properties. Okay, that is what you want. And if your website, if your data stream is created for the web, you can select web over here and then continue. So now you can see the goal which we had created in GA4 is reflecting out here, which we can select and then we can import this. So now we have imported one conversion action from GA4 as well into this Google Ads account. So these are the two ways, guys, by which we can import goals from our Google Analytics account inside our Google Ads, and then we can use it for tracking our conversions which happens on our Google Ads website, on our Google Ads account. I hope this makes sense to everyone. Everyone understood how to set up conversion tracking from Analytics now. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session. If you have any questions, feel free to write in the comment section. I would be happy to help you out with that. Thank you so much, guys.